Hey there, dear woodcrafts enthusiasts. You're back at Decor Ideas, your go-to channel for stunning decor and woodworking inspiration. Today's woodwork project idea is about creating budget-friendly woodworking projects as a beginner and totally worth trying. Ready to add charm and creativity to your home? Let's jump in and bring today's vision to life. Creating budget-friendly woodworking projects as a beginner is an exciting and rewarding endeavor that opens up a world of creativity and craftsmanship. Woodworking not only allows individuals to express their artistic vision, but also enables them to create functional and beautiful pieces for their homes. The charm of woodworking lies in the tactile nature of the materials, the satisfaction of shaping wood into useful items, and the sense of accomplishment that comes from completing a project. For beginners, the journey into woodworking can be both accessible and fulfilling, especially when approached with a mindful focus on budget-friendly strategies. One of the first steps in embarking on woodworking projects is understanding the materials available and how to source them economically. As a beginner, it's essential to familiarize yourself with different types of wood, their characteristics, and their costs. While hardwoods like oak or maple can be pricey, softwoods such as pine or fir are often more affordable and readily available at local hardware stores or lumber yards. Reclaimed wood is another excellent option, often available at lower prices or even for free if sourced from old furniture or construction sites. Utilizing reclaimed wood not only saves money but also adds character to your projects, as each piece carries its own history and uniqueness. When starting with woodworking, simplicity is key. As a beginner, it's beneficial to choose projects that are straightforward yet rewarding. Simple designs require fewer tools and materials, reducing overall costs while still allowing for creativity. For example, crafting a basic shelf or a small wooden planter box can be an excellent way to practice essential skills without overwhelming complexity. These projects offer ample opportunity to learn about measuring, cutting, and assembling wood, helping you to build confidence in your abilities. Moreover, the tools needed for basic woodworking projects can be minimal. While professional-grade tools can be expensive, many budget-friendly options exist that can get you started. Essential tools for beginners often include a saw, a drill, a square, and sandpaper. Hand tools are particularly effective for beginners, as they are generally more affordable and allow for greater control over the work. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually invest in more advanced tools, but starting small keeps initial costs low and manageable. Exploring online resources can also significantly enhance your woodworking journey. Numerous websites, forums, and video tutorials offer step-by-step guidance on various projects, making the learning curve less daunting. Many experienced woodworkers share their knowledge and techniques, providing valuable insights that can help beginners avoid common pitfalls. Engaging with the online woodworking community can foster a sense of camaraderie and support, encouraging you to tackle new challenges and share your progress. If this video inspired you, why not inspire others too? Subscribe to Decor Ideas and share this video with friends and family. Let's spread creativity and make every home more beautiful with simple woodcrafting. Don't miss out on our next project. Hit the bell icon now. Another avenue for budget-friendly woodworking is the use of plans and templates. Many websites offer free or inexpensive plans for a variety of projects, ranging from furniture to decorative items. Using these plans can save time and effort in the design phase, allowing you to focus on the actual construction. These resources often include detailed measurements and instructions, which can be particularly beneficial for beginners still learning how to visualize and execute their ideas. As you begin to create your projects, consider the potential for customization. Personalizing your woodworking projects not only adds a unique touch, but can also make them more meaningful. For instance, painting or staining your creations can elevate their appearance and allow you to coordinate with your existing decor. Adding decorative elements, such as carved designs or stenciled patterns, can further enhance the aesthetics without significantly increasing costs. This emphasis on personalization fosters a deeper connection to the items you create, transforming them from mere objects into cherished pieces that reflect your personality. One of the most rewarding aspects of woodworking is the opportunity for experimentation. As a beginner, don't be afraid to try new techniques or materials. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process, and each misstep can provide valuable lessons that contribute to your growth as a woodworker. Embracing this mindset encourages creativity and innovation, allowing you to develop your own style while keeping the costs associated with failed projects in check. Moreover, consider collaborating with others who share your interest in woodworking. Joining local community workshops, classes, or woodworking groups can provide access to shared tools and resources, reducing individual costs. Working alongside experienced woodworkers can also offer mentorship and inspiration, helping you refine your skills and learn new techniques in a supportive environment. The social aspect of woodworking can make the experience more enjoyable and fulfilling, fostering friendships and connections with like-minded individuals. Another practical approach to budget-friendly woodworking is to focus on projects that utilize scrap wood. Many woodworking enthusiasts accumulate leftover pieces from previous projects, which can be repurposed into new creations. Small items like coasters, picture frames, or keychains can be made from these scraps, minimizing waste and maximizing creativity. By thinking outside the box, you can transform what might otherwise be considered waste into functional and attractive pieces, reinforcing the value of resourcefulness in your woodworking practice. In addition to practical considerations, the satisfaction derived from completing a woodworking project is immense. Each finished piece represents not just a physical object, but a culmination of time, effort, and creativity. The act of building something with your own hands instills a sense of pride and achievement that is hard to replicate. This intrinsic reward can motivate you to continue exploring the world of woodworking, pushing the boundaries of your skills and creativity. As you progress in your woodworking journey, you may find that your interests evolve and expand. What starts as a few simple projects can lead to a passion for furniture making, home decor, or even artistic woodworking. The skills you develop as a beginner can serve as a foundation for more complex endeavors, allowing you to take on larger and more ambitious projects as your confidence grows. In conclusion, creating budget-friendly woodworking projects as a beginner is a fulfilling and accessible way to explore your creativity while enhancing your living space. By focusing on affordable materials, simple designs, and the use of shared resources, you can embark on a rewarding journey that combines artistry and functionality. The sense of accomplishment that comes from crafting something with your own hands is unparalleled, fostering a deeper connection to your home and the objects within it. Embrace the process, learn from your experiences, and let your creativity flourish as you dive into the world of woodworking. Thanks for watching the video until the end. We hope today's budget-friendly woodworking projects ideas as a beginner inspired you. So, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next decor and woodworking project ideas. See you soon with another amazing idea and in the next video. Happy crafting!